gonna be fast. You're not gonna have much.
It's okay.
Okay.
Gonna have a farm tour today. Hello guys. Watch my video, Mrs. Hub Vlog. Today is my farm tour.
Labor Day,
Labor Day.
2021.
It's hot morning, but not hot. It's still cold. Because I have AC.
8 a.m. in the morning.
Turn around.
Maybe you get to see some deer. This used to be all cleaned up, all this stuff. Used to be nothing here. They have it all cleaned up. They've done nothing. I got buy me a tractor. If I bought me a tractor, this is
Not really a really problem of cleaning.
Yeah, I'd have it all cleaned up if I had a new tractor.
You buy me pants for cleaning, you know, I can slowly do this, and I can make garden in this area.
No, sure. Where you garden? Where you garden over here? You don't want it over here. I think the garden needs to go over by the house. And put a garden over here. Deer will eat it. Deer, raccoon, everybody will eat your dog on the garden. You'll have no garden.
What's that? What that? Tank?
Gas well pad.
I.
That's where all the money is.
You know,
You
I
got
like the
natural gas.
flowers.
Hmm?
I like the flowers and the trees. It's
Yeah.
colorful.
Yeah.
Not
Everything.
flower. Beautiful.
Yeah. Put them briars and everything, stick you up and everything. Make sure you
This
have
one,
some
oh.
thick pants.
Oh, yeah. Look, oh. Flower.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice shipping containers. I got 3 of them there.
That one.
They're all 3 mine.
Shipping container.
And everything. That's the gas well pads and everything.
That one.
There are 2 gas wells here. Gas companies say they're going to. They tell you they'll clean it up. You know.
It's 3 pieces.
I know there's 2. They tell you they were gonna go over there and
The big trees in here.
they'll clean it up in the, one day.
What kind of tree is this?
Oh, they're oak. They'll tell you though, in one day they'll go over there. When they're done, they'll go over there and restore as is and everything. They don't ever do it.
You know, you can make a house of this kind of tree.
Yeah,
That one.
yeah. Yeah, but it's not the best wood. You gotta get your seatbelt on, girl.
Hi.
You never have your seatbelt on. I don't know
That's why. What is that sound?
Seatbelt sound. Okay.
Ay, nako.
And see, neighbor always wants to trim my property off. He's always wants to. There's a
In this area.
deers are always in this area. Deers love this trees. They get in this area.
Trees.
Deers love this area. This is an old deer resting area right in this area right here. They go in here. They love it here.
Yeah.
Okay, this is, if you're gonna see deer, this is right here. That's theirs.
So very in that area.
That right in there, right in that area over there.
Where's the pond, Daddy?
Excuse me. Right in that area, right over there.
That flat area over there.
Yeah, there's a flat area right over there.
Yeah, looks nice.
It's a flat area right over there. It's a really nice area. Over there by the tree and everything. It's a really nice area. And everything. It's kind of, you can't see it, but it's over there. It's a beautiful area right over there. It's over there by the pond
Yeah.
and everything. You know what I mean? They got their own entrance. Now, do you have a problem with that?
No, I don't have a problem with that.
They have their own home. They have their own thing. They have nobody to bother them. And
I can have a lot of firewood here.
yeah, but
You bought that, but it's still nothing for me.
Nice sunglasses.
Short wife, you know.
Here. Put that on you.
Okay.
Does that help you?
Little. Only this area. The sun is gone. But this
Does that help you?
Oh yeah, better. Much better like that.
But you put them on. Put them on. They're good.
It's not tight and pulling.
Well, I was telling you that. I was telling you that last night.
No nose.
Hey, I was telling you that last night. I still was having that problem last night.
Why? It's pulling.
No, I said it wasn't tight. I'm like, what's going on, girl?
Over there. This was land.
That's Mike McNabb's property.
He clean it.
No, he was hating it. He hated it. This is kind of
Oh, the guy is.
Ricky Rogers. I didn't even see him.
Ricky Roger, that one.
Yeah. Huh. Good morning. There's alcohol. He's got a beer in his hand at 8 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah. By my house.
Yeah.
By the way, guys, that's the house.
No, it is. That's Shannon. Got an egg and Shannon in the morning.
This is the property of Kuya.
No. This is Bishop's property. Castles go over and haze it. This is Mike McNabb's property over here.
He got the clean
He
property.
haze it and stuff.
But it's not health. It's not. I don't like it. No trees. I
Yeah.
like trees.
It's okay.
You can clean the ground, but don't cut
It's
the trees.
fine. It's fine.
Hello, neighbor. Yeah, the same car of this one. Oh.
Guys.
The dog again.
Guys.
The dog again.
And the big red one, Allie, gets on you, say move. Okay, just move, Allie.
Where is the big one? Red
Oh,
one.
there's a dog. Coco wants to play ball. Coco wants
Tayo
to play
dito.
ball. Hi, Coco. Hi, Delilah.
Coco, I'm going out. Nobody here, Daddy. Hi. Big dog. Ay, sorry. Hi. You're so big. Ah, my God. Kadako sa iro. Kadako sa iro. You wanna...
Coco.
You wanna...
That's Coco. He likes playing ball.
Agoy, kunimitan ko sa
Coco
iro.
likes playing ball.
Huh?
Get the water.
Big dog. Hi. Big dog. Ball. Daddy got a ball in his mouth.
Play ball with you.
Ay.
Oh, look at that. Come here.
There's a horse over there.
Got a calf.
Horse.
Got a new baby.
Wow, cute.
Yeah, got
Oh,
a
this
calf.
is a girl dog.
And this way you go over here.
Baka.
Come over here. You put a little baby. Got a new baby now.
Oh.
And
Baka.
everything. This is how you work this here.
Why he has a number?
They go over and tag them. Here, watch. This is how you turn the water on here. It's way in the ground so it doesn't frost.
Ah, this is a groundwater.
Air nose on here.
Baka.
I want you to throw it.
Give me the ball.
Yep.
Give.
Coco.
Give me the ball.
You can't know anything. That's Delilah.
Give me the ball. He don't.
No, she's
don't.
gonna drop it for you. Throw it
Then-
hard. Throw it hard.
Ah! Oh my God, you want to play?
See the beetle? Look,
Oh,
it'll beat you.
it bite me.
No, you gotta stick your leg over there.
No, I don't want to play now.
See the flies?
Yeah, they don't wash them.
No, they got what they call a wick. You gotta go over there, stick a wick out, and then go over there and do this.
This is a expensive cow, Daddy, right?
Not really, but 1,000. They buy them for 1,000. They're good for milking, or they're good for meat cows. They're milking the meat cow. They're lactose. It's for the milk is for lactose intolerance. Here, pick the ball up.
Hi, doggy, come
Pet
on.
Delilah.
But
Pet
he's got a
Delilah.
big mouth. Get a big
good girl.
mouth. Good girl. They're good dog.
Yeah.
So cute.
See the beetle?
Hmm?
The beetle in the water.
Oh yeah. Gang, we call it here. No, we don't have it in Philippines.
The
I don't
beetle.
know.
I think it's a dung beetle.
16. He's got a number. 16.
Yeah.
The other one is
29.
29. Over there. I don't know what you. They're like a human being. Always play, over there. Again. Daddy, he don't stop playing with me. You want to play again, huh? Oh. Ah, shit. I'm tired of throwing ball na. Huh?
Don't play no more.
No more?
Ignore 'em.
You open the water, Daddy. It's
I'll wait
already
till I
full.
go there. I'm trying to clean it off a little bit.
Mm.
See if I can get that beetle out of there.
Lawak ng lugar. What's that day? That big pipe. Give me. I will do it.
There it is. Oh.
Horses over there. Horses. This one too. You're always giving me a ball.
There. I got something for you.
Give
Okay,
me-
it always works.
Give me the ball. Yes.
Your seatbelt on.
No. Go home na. Farm tour is that.
Yeah. Shed's 30 by.
That's the house, guys.
Yeah. 30
That's
by
our
12.
house.
The shed is.
Go home na. Go home.
You left the door open?
Yeah.
Or the kids left the door open?
Bye bye. Done na ag.
Oh.